It's me again, Mami Jing and Viverine Marie Vlog. For today's video, meron na naman tayong bagong kakainin. So, meron ako ditong oatmeal, nilagyan ko ng chia seed, at fresh milk, meron 2 boiled eggs. Tara, samahan niyo kong kumain. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa pag-support. Please, follow and share. Bye!